Today, while we're at the track, we're going to be interviewing a young driver by the name of Tuesday Calderwood. She also has a brother that races. His name is Logan Calderwood, and their father's name is Rex. Rex is the mechanic for both of these karts. Rex is one of the key factors to the success of his two kids. He puts a lot of time in making sure their karts are in A1 condition. But anyways, today we're going to be focusing on Tuesday Calderwood. She races in LO206 Junior 2. I believe she's between the ages of 13 and probably 15. I'm not quite sure about that. This young lady, I've been watching her for the last several years. She's a team racer. In other words, when you're racing in the same class as she is, she'll work with you to get to the front. She's not one of those drivers that cheap shots you and takes you out in a corner. She's not one of those drivers that'll use you up in a corner on the inside, and if you're on the outside, runs you off the track. She's a team player. I've seen Tuesday work together, being in 7th, 8th, and 9th, and get all the way to 1st and 2nd. Anyways, that's who we'll be interviewing today, Tuesday Calderwood. Hi Tuesday, how you doing today?
Good.
So, what number do you race, Tuesday?
I race number 136.
136, and how long have you been racing now?
7 years.
7 years. When did you start? 7 years ago. What was your first class you raced?
Kit Kart.
You raced Kit Kart. How long did you do that for? Did you do it for quite a while?
Yeah.
Okay. And now you're racing in what class? You're racing
Grades Junior 2.
LO206 Junior 2. Who's your biggest rival? Who do you like beating more than anybody? Who cries the most when you beat them?
My brother?
Your brother? That works. I can see that. And who do you like to beat the most? Who's the hardest to beat?
The hardest to beat? I don't know.
You don't know?
Sometimes they're easy and sometimes they're hard.
Well, the one thing I've learned about you, watching you over the last several years, that you're a team player. If you're in 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, and you work with Tuesday, you'll get to the front. I've noticed this a lot. I noticed it at the race about 2 races ago when you and Parker were running. I think you and Parker DeLong were running 4th and 5th. You helped Parker get all the way up. Parker nudged you out and took it away from you. Unreal. But anyways, good luck to you today. We're going to put a GoPro on your car and we're going to see how it goes. Okay?
Yep.
Thanks, Tuesday. Bye-bye. Well, Tuesday we'll be racing against 10 other LO206 Junior 2s. Right now she sits in the number 1 qualifying position with a 39.918, putting her in the first position with 9 fast racers on her heels. Can she outrun them? We'll put the GoPro on the go-kart right now and we'll see how she does in the heat race. And main event, we'll do a recap of the racing day and we'll turn around and post this up for you guys to see. Hope you enjoy RaceBumTV and Tuesday Calderwood, who is today's spotlight racer. Today, this young lady beat 10 other drivers, qualifying with a top honors of 913. How does that make you feel?
Good.
Okay. You got to keep it up for the heat race and the main event. We're going to put the GoPro on there and let you go tear it up. Make them boys wish they drove faster. Tuesday Calderwood, everybody. Let's watch her beat all these guys. Thank you. Miss Tuesday Calderwood, you got 9 guys behind you. Can you outrun them? She can. Okay, Tuesday says there's no way you can pass her.
I'm not surprised.
No, that's not the answer I wanted. I wanted you to say yes, because I've got the GoPro on the front of her kart. See, if I put it on the back, then she gets to watch all you guys. If you get in front of her, RaceBumTV's, all my followers get to watch you. There's incentive. Good luck to you.
Exciting class. These are
12 to 16. Coming around, they're going. Into the first turn.
Well, the LO206 Junior 2 went off as I thought it would. Tuesday Calderwood killed him. It wasn't even close. I think there was a 4 to 5 second gap. So we're going to go and talk with her right now. Young lady, congratulations.
Thanks.
Do you realize how bad you beat the boys? By like 4 seconds. You were 4 to 5 seconds in front of them. I had to put another GoPro on the front of Trey's go-kart to give me something to film. So, thank you so much for being part of my channel today. Everybody, this is Tuesday Calderwood. She'll not only beat you on Tuesday, she'll beat you the other 6 days of the week too. Thank you so much for being part of our channel today. Have a good day. Everybody, that was Tuesday. One fantastic driver. I've been watching her since she was in kid karts. And I didn't realize it'd been that long, but she's really done a fantastic job of learning how to drive.
Followed by Keith, Jill, and Scott. I really say the kids are in the front and men are in the back. Oh, look at Logan go flying by Micah. He's got a brand new KA 100.